Good morning students, I am Shomaji sir. Today I am here to deliver my lecture on topic pollination, fertilization, fruit and seed. This is from the chapter How do organisms reproduce. So without any delay, let's start with the topic. So let's start. So in pollination you can see last class I have discussed about the floral parts of flower. Now after the flower has been formed, it has a both male and a female reproductive part. The male reproductive part that I have said in the last class can be called as stamen or androecium. Stamen are of two types, isn't it? Or androecium have two parts, one is anther and filament. And for gynoecium, the gynoecium another name is pistil or carpel, isn't it? So these pistil or gynoecium or carpel are of the three different parts combined to form the female part. One is stigma, style and ovary. So you can see the how the pollination is taking place. See here the insect is transferring the pollen grains from one plant to another or from one flower to another. If it takes place in the same flower, then it is a self-pollination, and if it takes place in a different flower, it's cross-pollination. We'll see this. We'll see this one by one. Now, what is a pollination? Clear? Now see, what is pollination? What is pollination? The transfer of pollen grains from anther. Clear? The transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a stamen to the stigma of a carpel is called pollination. So again I repeat, the transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a stamen to the stigma of a carpel is called pollination. So pollination are of two types. One is self-pollination, another is cross-pollination. Now what is a self-pollination? Clear? When the pollen grains from the anther of a flower are transferred to the stigma of the same flower, clear, or another flower of the same plant is called self-pollination. Now you can see the figure. I have given a very nice figure. You can see one flower is given and self-pollination, cross-pollination can be seen. See, if the transfer of pollen grains takes place in the same flower, it is called self-pollination, and if it takes place in the different flower, it is called cross-pollination. Clear? Very nice slide. I have given very nice slide so that you can understand. Same thing you see pollination in plants. See, this is also cross-pollination given on top, and below there is a self-pollination. You see on top, see one insect is carrying the pollen from one flower to another flower, whereas below in the self-pollination you can see pollination takes place in a single flower. Now what is cross-pollination? So as I have said, when the pollen grains from the anther of a flower on one plant are transferred to the stigma of a flower on another similar plant are called cross-pollination. Understood? So fertilization, what is fertilization? It is defined as the fusion of male gamete, that is sperm, with the female gamete or ovum or egg to form a zygote. During sexual reproduction, this is called fertilization. So the fusion of sperm and ovum. So fertilization, what is fertilization? What is fertilization? The fusion of sperm and the ovum to form a zygote is called is called sexual reproduction, and this is fertilization. Clear? So what did I just say? During fertilization, sperm and ovum unite to form a zygote. This is called sexual reproduction. Now same diagram I have given one more time. Very nicely pictorial diagram has been given of the pollination. You can see in the first figure in the left hand side, you see how the anthers are moving to the stigma of the same flower. Clear? So there is a self-pollination. On the right hand side you can see below the insects have lot of pollens in their body, so whenever they go to another flower, it gets pollinated. Next you can see on top the cross-pollination. You can see how the insects are carrying from one flower to another flower. The cross-pollination diagram, very nicely pictorial diagram has been given. Next you can see fertilization in plants, how fertilization takes place in plant. You see after the pollination is done, fertilization comes. Clear? So how does it takes place? See, pollination is followed by fertilization in plant. So what happens? What are the steps? I'll tell. See, after the pollens land on a suitable stigma, isn't it? It has to reach the female germ cell in the ovary, isn't it? So the pollen tube grows out of the pollen grain through the style to reach the ovary. After fertilization, the zygote divides several times to form an embryo within the ovule. The ovule then develops a tough coat and gets converted into a seed. Next step, the seed containing the future embryo which develops into seedlings, clear, and the ovary develops and ripens to form fruit. So this process of double fertilization occurs inside the embryo sac, in which twice fusion is taking place. Two fusions are taking place. One is syngamy, another is triple fusion, clear, takes place. So when one male gamete fuses with the egg contained in the embryo sac of the ovule, this fusion of male and female gamete is called syngamy, and the product is the zygote. And the other male gamete that fuses with the two polar nuclei, and this process is called triple fusion, where three nuclei are involved in fusion process, one male gamete and two polar nuclei, clear. So when the first male gamete fuses with the egg is called fertilization, and forms a zygote, and when the second male gamete fuses with the secondary nucleus, clear, that is 2n into n, it forms a 3n, so it is the endosperm formation takes place. This process is called double fertilization or triple fusion. Now see, even inside the ovule you can see flower is there. See, the ovules are being transferred, isn't it, transferred, and their double fertilization taking place, clear. See, sexual reproduction in plant. See, plant is there undergoing mitosis, then pollination and fertilization. These all takes place. So you can see I have given several figures so that you can understand it very nicely. See, ovary, flower is there, zygote, petals. Then after that seed is formed. Then from the seed fruit is formed, and from the fruit, isn't it? So ovule give rise to seed, clear. Ovules give rise to seed, and ovary give rise to fruit, understood? So this is a structure of a ovary. You can see longitudinal section of a flower showing the growth of a pollen tube, understood? So this entire thing is a carpel or pistil or gynoecium. So you can see on top, when the pollination takes place, the pollen gas falls on the stigma, isn't it? So these pollen then forms a pollen tube and it gets inside. So you can see pollen tube, antipodal cell, polar nuclei, egg cells, synergids, all are there, isn't it? 8 cells are there. So on top 3 are there, polar haploid, they are called antipodal cells, and below there are synergids, 2 synergids, N and egg inside, clear. So all are N, and only inside the polar nuclei and secondary nucleus is 2N. So you can see degenerative synergid degenerates, and there is a zygote, and then primary endosperm cell, primary endosperm nucleus, then degenerative cell, endosperm, antipodal cells, and all fertilization. So you can see overall diagram has been given there. Flower is shown, then microsporogenesis, then pollination, then fertilization and formation, clear. There's a little bit extra I've given. If you want, you can study. Little bit extra diagram I've given. Same thing for here, little bit extra. The flower is there, then ovule, then formation, then antipodal cells and all, then embryo sac, clear. The generative cell, then microspore. That means a microspore is the male one and the megaspore is the female one, clear. And so megaspore formation is called megasporogenesis, and microspore formation is microsporogenesis. Now what is fruit? See, a fruit may be defined as a fertilized, mature and ripened ovary. So there are different types of fruit. One is true fruit, another is false fruit or pseudo fruit, another is parthenocarpic fruit, clear. So what are true fruit? Those fruit that are developed directly from the ovary, example mango and brinjal, clear. And what are false fruit or pseudocarpic fruit? Fruits that develop from ovary along with adjoining floral holes like sepals, petals, thalamus, clear. So when the fruit is only developed from ovary, it is called true fruit. But when the fruit is developed from the ovary along with the other parts like sepal, petals and thalamus, isn't it? They are called they are called false fruit. Example is apple and fig. Now parthenocarpic fruit. So those fruit that develops from unfertilized ovary, understood? Example banana and grapes. So true fruit example is mango and brinjal. False fruit example is apple and fig. And parthenocarpic fruit example is banana and grapes. Understood? Now seed. So inside fruit there will be seed, isn't it? So if there is one cotyledon, then it's monocot. If there's two cotyledons inside the seed, then it is dicot. Understood? So seed, what is seed? Fertilized, mature, integument ovule that give rise to a new plant is called seed. Food seeds are of various type. One is monocotyledonous seed, dicotyledonous seed, and polycotyledonous seed. Monocotyledonous seed means seeds with only one cotyledon. Clear? So inside the seed, if there is one cotyledon, they are called monocotyledonous seed. Example: maize, wheat, and rice. And what is dicotyledon? Seeds with two cotyledon. Clear? Inside the seed, if there are two cotyledon, then it is called dicotyledons. Example is pea is there, gram is there, mango is there. And for polycotyledonous seed, seeds with more than two cotyledon. Example is spinous. So student, these are the homework questions. Define the following. One is self-pollination, cross-pollination, double fertilization. Explain the process of fertilization in plants and define fruits and seeds with one example of each. Clear? Thank you student. This was all about the entire lecture. We have discussed about the topic pollination, fertilization, fruit and seed. This is from the chapter How do organisms reproduce. Stay at home, stay safe. I am Shomji sir signing off for today, and again we'll meet in the next class. Thank you friends.